Okay, we're doing exhaust today finally. What we have here is a pretty standard resonator delete. Based on my research, they pretty much all sound the same too if you're just running stock mufflers and only do a resonator delete. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna drop the entire exhaust out, chop out the resonator, and then insert this guy using these dual clamp couplers. So these are gonna replace any welding that we're gonna have to do. What we will have to weld on though is these fancy blue tips. So these are gonna get a nice weld. But first we're just gonna drop out the entire exhaust and just get to cutting. So I need a step down for the tips because this is 2.5 and they're going on to 2 1/4, so I'm waiting a day. We're just gonna put the exhaust back in with just the resonator delete, and I'm gonna put the tips on once I get some step downs so I can actually fit these properly, because may as well do it right.
Day 2. There we go.
Wait, hold on. How is it? Pretty shitty.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, I don't think these could have turned out any better. They're parallel, they stick out the exact amount all around. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. If anybody ever works on this car and they lift it up, please don't look at my welds. So there's that, but honestly, they're not going anywhere. And the resonator delete isn't exactly what I was looking for sound, but it's pretty good. I like it because it's super subtle, like when you start it up and when you're in the low revs, just like crawling through a neighborhood, you can't even hear it. But right in that mid-range, it still comes through. It's not the exact sound I was looking for, it's kind of trombone-y. I like it, it's a good start. I could not be happier with this. The back end is incredibly aggressive with the high kick spoiler and the diffuser and the tips. This is basically the Batmobile, and it looks really casual from the front still. So next week we're gonna do a bunch of front end mods. And yeah, if you're interested in the build, follow me on Instagram at Engage Auto, and stay tuned because this is just the beginning.